Hello, I'm going to briefly show you the Aspire Technologies Dynamics portal. The Dynamics portal extends the reach of Microsoft Dynamics to parts of your organisation that don't currently have Dynamics licenses and potentially to customers. You can use an employee self-service or an ESS license for the Dynamics portal. These licenses are significantly cheaper than ordinary Dynamics licenses. Initially, the user will be asked to sign into Dynamics. This is using their Active Directory license, and you can set them up and then set them up as a non-interactive user within Dynamics. So we're going to sign in here. Once our credentials are checked and our configuration is checked, we can see the main portal here. From here we can add a document, or we can find existing documents. All of this is controlled by Dynamics Security, as the user, whilst being a non-interactive user, which means they can't use the Internet Explorer or Outlook interfaces, are still a Dynamics user in terms of security. Therefore, any records you share to these users can be seen by these users. Eva Koretz is a sample contact from the Dynamics samples, so we have only allowed her to see her own account. You can see here that she has the account Designer Goods. We can now find any documents that have been attached to Designer Goods, either choosing all documents or unchecking all documents and choosing from an existing document type. We're going to choose photos here. This is going to load metadata for photos to allow us to define what kind of photo that we're interested in. We're going to say that we're only interested in approved photos. This is now going to load all the documents that are approved photos. Once these documents have loaded, our user can view this document. As you can see here, this is Le Monde Racing Cycles. They can open the document metadata. This is controlled through the admin application. And they can update the data if they have the ability. So we're going to say yes, the location was a studio. Click OK and confirm the data change. Now any Dynamics users will see that data change. They can upload a new version of that document. They can also see that document's history, or from here they can add a brand new document, which is what we're going to do here. Click on Add. You can either drag drop onto here, or we're going to select a file in this example. We're going to go into my pictures, and we're going to choose a random picture from Legoland in the UK. Choose a picture here, my daughter driving. We can give it a title. My daughter driving. And we can select a document type. Now these document types are restricted for the user, and we're going to say that this is a photo, which it is. It's going to load the metadata for the photo, so we can set some of the data, and we can set an account for it. Well, obviously we can only ever set ourselves because we're a customer. We can have a description. The location, whether this is an approved photo. No, we haven't approved it, and well, it's not any of those, so we're going to leave that blank. We click on OK here. That document is now added to Dynamics. All the Dynamics users can see it, and if we have a quick look here, we can view that in a window. There we go. That is essentially the portal.